industrial computing was converging with what the users were finding they were being offered outside of their workplace. And that was predominantly what I would call the Apple effect. And we were accused a while ago of developing products that were, and I quote, not sexy. Well, it meant that they wanted something that looked good, even though it might be mounted in a doghouse or mounted on an oil rig. They wanted it to look good, and they also wanted touchscreen. That was a new challenge for us, and I personally am a great admirer of the late Steve Jobs and his approach to life in terms of product development and his fantastic attention to detail. And so the next product we started to work on was always going to look good. So along comes the 1302, and our new products that will follow shortly will look just as good. And it's not just what you see on the outside. Steve Jobs was very keen to ensure that the parts that people never saw were just as good. And actually, I rather feel the same way. So when I go into our production, I want to see inside a unit and make sure it's right and looks good and looks the part. ISIS Products, as it was called, was formed and created in 1989 as part of a larger company called Beacon Controls. He went on and spent 10 years developing products and establishing sales channels to the market throughout the world. In 1999, the business was sold to the Techno Group out of Norway in Stavanger, who renamed the company Techno ISIS. And they shifted the emphasis away from pharmaceuticals to oil and gas. ISIS had always been incredibly innovative, with a great deal of superb engineering excellence present within the business. This was a good business with some great potential. And we maintained this philosophy of going as fast as possible with the minimum amount of effort. And we traded very hard and capitalized on all this inherent experience that was resident within the business. And we believe that in 2009 we were a startup company and we had the energy of a startup company, but we had the experience of a company that had been trading over 20 years. And that is an awesome combination of power. And we've tried to harness that in a number of ways by developing our staff, increasing their skills, developing a range of very interesting and different and innovative products new to the marketplace. If we've got a processor that can run at 10, whatever 10 is, we'll try and make it run at 20. If somebody wants something sealed to IP65, we'll make it IP66. We almost got a sort of boiler house environment, yet everybody's very happy. Everybody's free to think. Everybody's free to work when they want. So we've got great people there who are free to express themselves. So we measure people upon their own success. And the net result of all of that is that we're a smallish company operating in North Yorkshire in England, taking on the biggest and the best operating out of predominantly the USA and certain parts of Europe. And we're punching well above our weight.
you.